Hello everyone, this is Satyam Biskarma and welcome to Satyam Biskarma YouTube channel. Friends, I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Okay friends, so this is the first video of my YouTube channel Satyam Biskarma. This channel is totally dedicated to those who wish to learn, who want to learn English language. Okay, they want to explore, they want to learn, they want to know how to speak English. Okay, they want to learn grammar, they want to learn vocabulary. Okay, so this channel is totally dedicated for them. Okay, because by this channel, okay, you will get all contents, okay, all types of contents of English language. Okay, so just watch the video till end and you will get a very important and a very good session by this video. Okay friends, so stay till end and watch the video carefully. So first of all friends, we all want to progress, we all want to explore, we all want to learn how to speak English. Okay, so this is the most important point, why English is so important in our life. So English is very most important. English is very essential language. It is a global, it is an international language. Okay, this language is spoken all over the world. Okay, so know what is the, so you know what the importance of this language, because you know this is the generation of technology. Everything is in English. Okay, when you go out, okay, when you go out, you will see there is everything in English. Okay, if you learn, if you want to take any information, if you want to learn, if you want to know something, then it is very essential to know English language as well as to know English speaking. Okay, and when a person wants to learn how to speak English, okay, then he has to focus many areas. Okay, in which areas? Okay, he has to focus, the first area is that he has to prepare his vocabularies. Okay, because in English speaking, the most common problem of the persons, okay, of the people who are trying to learn, who are trying to speak English fluently, okay, they questioned me, sir, I just when I speak English, okay, I just stuck, I just hesitated. Okay, the words, the I cannot create sentences in mind and cannot speak, and when I speak there are long pauses, there are long gaps in my sentences, so I just feel unconfident when I speak English. Okay, so they said this is the problem. When they speak, most people says that they first create sentence in Hindi, then he translate it into English, then he try to speak, and this process takes a little time, and this makes their speech bad. Okay, because there are lots of pauses, there are lots of time gap has been included by this, so their speech going to be bad. So this is the problem of the candidates, of the people who are trying to speak English. Okay, so this problem will be sorted out. Okay, how? So English language, okay, English language, the first thing is, today especially I will talk, so today especially I will talk on the topic how to learn English speaking, means how to speak English fluently. Okay, how to speak English fast, how to speak English clearly, fluently and eloquently. So this is the question of this video. Okay, the purpose of mine to make this video is that I will help the people who are trying to speak English fluently and clearly. Okay, they are trying to learn English language, they are want to explore English language. Okay, so keep with me, be both. Okay, we explore the English, we will learn English together and do good. Okay, so the first thing who wants to learn English speaking, okay, the most important thing is practice. Okay, practice is the most important. You know, practice makes a man perfect. So practice every day. Okay, practice a single day is the most important key to become a fluent English speaker. not any, okay, it's not talking about English, okay, any language, okay, any language. If you want to learn to speak any language, if you want to learn any language, so practice is the most important key, okay. Daily practice is the most important to increase your abilities in English language as well as other languages, to learn it, to speak it, okay. You need that type of environment. So the practice, so the practice is most important. Practice is most important. And how are the ways to learn English speaking? There are 4 ways to learn English speaking. The first is listening, second is writing, third is speaking, okay, and fourth is reading, okay. Means reading, writing, okay, reading, writing, speaking, reading, writing, speaking, and listening. Reading, writing, speaking, and English. These are the 4 ways to learn any language, okay. So when you listen, when you write, when you speak, when you listen, when you read, when you study, so this makes you able to understand any language, okay. And these, so you have to practice these 4 ways every single day. So this makes you the most perfect, most fluent English speaker. So this is the most important thing that I want to say to you, okay. So the important thing that I am trying to say is that you have to practice daily. I am focusing word practice. You have to do practice daily, okay. So the question is how practice, okay, how practice, because in which environment, especially in India, in which environment we live, there are most of the people, means I can say few people speak English, okay. In which environment we live, every person speak, okay, their local language, not English language. So we have not that type of environment, okay, with whom we practice, okay. So we will become a fluent English speaker. So this is the most important question for all candidates, with whom we practice, with whom we practice. But this problem has been sought out. This problem has been sought out by which? Because this is the generation of technology, okay. And there are lots of apps, okay. There are lots of apps available on Google Pay, okay. There are lots of applications based on English speaking are available on Play Store as well as other applications, okay. So and there are many ways on Google. You can do Google search. Many websites provides you to practice, okay. There are lots of platforms. When you go and search on Play Store English speaking practice, then you get millions, then you get many of the applications that provides you platform, okay, that provides you platform where you can connect, you can talk with lots of people, okay, like you, who are learning English language, okay. So you can talk them as well as in that, okay. So in those applications you will get mentors, you will talk to the teachers, okay, who will guide you, who will tell you how to speak English. And when you practice with them, you will face the problems, you will face your weak points, you will notice your weak points when you speak, when you try to speak. You will find your weak points, where you are lacking of, right. When you speak, then you will get your weak points, and if you are getting your weak points and you work on it, then surely you will be do better, okay. So talk, the first important thing is talk, okay. Talk to someone, talk to yourself is the most important thing, okay. So this is the most important thing, is speaking skill, okay, writing skill, reading skill, and listening skill, okay. If you are a beginner English speaker, okay, so you have to give the time, okay, you have to give the time to learn English language properly, okay. If you want to learn English very quickly, okay, within a short period of time, okay, so you have to give your time and you have to practice English language as well as to learn to how to speak English language, okay. And English speaking, okay, is matters a lot, okay. In English speaking you need to learn English grammar, okay. you should have, okay, you have the knowledge of grammar. When you speak, you need correct sentences is most important, okay. So the knowledge of grammar is matters, okay, is matters a lot in English speaking, okay. The first thing is grammar, okay, and the second thing is vocabulary. Vocabulary is very most important when you speak English. The most important thing is vocabulary, okay. And the third point, and the most important point, is pronunciation, okay. So the words, the sentences that you are speaking in your speech, okay. So it's most important thing that the pronunciation of these sentences, these words, okay, should be correct. It's very most important. It's very most important, because pronunciation is very most important, okay. With the help of pronunciation, you will get the meaning of the sentence, okay, what one want to say to you, okay. Then you understand and you will reply, okay. So this is the most important thing that I want to discuss to you, okay. So you have to prepare vocabulary, you have to prepare on your grammar, okay. You need to study grammar, okay, and you just learn pronunciation of the words, okay. So these are the also ways added on your work. You have to work on it, you have to work on pronunciation, you have to work on your vocabulary, you have to work on your grammar. So these are the important points that help you to be a fluent English speaker, okay friends. So this is the most important points that you have to focus on, okay. So friends, now just I'm going to conclude this video is that first, English is a very most important language. It's an global language, it's an international language, okay. It is speak all over the world. So, and you know that everything is going, okay, everything is presenting in English. So it is very important to learn English language, okay. So this is the important thing to learn English language, okay. And to learn English language as well as any language, the most important thing is practice, okay. Practice. How you will practice? There are 4 ways. You have to speak, you have to listen, you have to write, you have to read. So these are the 4 ways that you need to practice daily, every single day, okay. By the practicing of these 4 ways every single day makes you the perfect English speaker, perfect English learner, okay. So this is the third way. And the third point that I discussed, okay, which sectors that you have to prepare. You have to prepare grammar, okay. You should have the knowledge of vocabulary, you have to prepare vocabulary, you should prepare, okay, you should prepare grammar, okay. And pronunciation, as well as pronunciations are very most important. So you all guys, you all have to prepare these things, okay. So you will be a fluent English speaker, okay. And don't worry, I will help you by this channel, okay. So the questions that you in your mind, please put up in the comment box. I will study it and I will reply it, okay. And on the demands of the videos, okay, on the basis of the questions, on the basis of the comments, I will upload new videos, okay, on English. How you can prove your English speaking, how can you improve your English speaking, as well as, okay, other language that you are learning, okay. So you have to give time, you have to practice, you have to read and write, and you have to just study, okay. So connect with me, I will give you all the contents, okay, all the topics that is necessary to learn English language. So connect with me, okay friends. So we will learn together and we explore together English language, okay friends. So I hope you loved this video. So we will meet in the next video with an interesting topic. Thank you very much.